Is the circuit breaker you assembled failing to close properly? This video uses the LMM1 circuit breaker to demonstrate the assembly process. If you need to DIY, we will reserve the signal wires for you. This allows for a more streamlined integration and installation of the auxiliary alarm harness. First, place our circuit breaker spacer plate onto the ATS mounting base plate. Then, position the MCCB on top. Next, align and securely plug in the auxiliary alarm wiring harness. Ensure the clips are fully engaged, and that the holes on the spacer plate below match those on the circuit breaker base. Then, insert the corresponding fixing screws into the MCCB. Flip the switch over. On the back, there is an adjustable positioning plate for the circuit breaker. Move this plate close to the position corresponding to the screws. Tighten the screws initially, just pre-tighten. After confirming all screws are in place, fully tighten all screws securely. The installation on the backup side is the same as the main side. No further demonstrations are provided in the video. Finally, flip the product over to the back. Position the bottom cover onto the back of the product, aligning it with the 4 holes, then install the 4 fixing screws onto the bottom cover. At this point, the product installation is fully complete. Can the equipment you assembled close the circuit breaker normally? Let's continue to find out. To begin testing, first open the front cover. Then, connect the main side product sampling wires to the corresponding incoming terminals. The process is the same for both main and backup sides. After all front-end sampling wires are connected, connect the testing stations A, B, C and N wires to the switch. Then, power on the system. Switch the product to manual mode first. Start testing. If the circuit breaker fails to close, adjust the forward and backward stroke of the product. First, turn off the power, then slightly loosen all tightened screws. In this case, if the MCCB position is slightly too far back, adjust it forward slightly. Then, retighten the screws. Power on again and verify whether the product can open and close normally. After successful opening and closing, test the trip function to ensure it operates correctly. When tripping on the backup side, set the main side to close. When tripping on the main side, set the backup side to close. If both sides close normally, the preliminary testing is complete.